Conversation about assignment.
Hey Lisa, have you started working on our assignment for Professor Smith's class?
Yes, I have. I've been researching and gathering information for it. How about you?
I've started as well. I've outlined the main points we need to cover, but I still need to do some more research.
That's great. Maybe we can work on it together later today at the library.
Sure, that sounds like a good idea. Two heads are better than one, right?
Exactly. Plus, it's always more fun to study with a friend. We can help each other out if we get stuck.
Definitely. I'm glad we're in the same class. It makes tackling assignments much easier.
Me too. Let's aim to finish it before the weekend so we can enjoy some free time.
Agreed. Let's meet up later and make some progress on it. Thanks for suggesting it.
No problem. We're in this together.
Conversation about assignment submission.
Hey Mark. Did you submit your assignment for Professor Johnson's class yet?
Yes, I did. I turned it in this morning before class. Did you submit yours?
Oh no, I completely forgot. The deadline is today, right?
Yeah, it is. But don't worry, you still have time until 5 p.m.
Oh, that's a relief. I'll head to the library right after our conversation and submit it.
That sounds like a plan. Remember to double-check everything before submitting to avoid any mistakes.
Will do. Thanks for reminding me. I appreciate it.
No problem, Sarah. We're a team, after all. Let me know if you need any help with the submission process.
Thanks, Mark. I'll make sure to submit it on time.
Conversation about dance party.
Hey Lisa. I heard there's gonna be a dance party at the college this Friday. Are you planning to go?
Yes, I heard about it too. I'm definitely going. It sounds like a lot of fun.
Awesome. I'm excited too. It's a great opportunity to relax and have a good time with friends.
Yeah, exactly. I love dancing, so I'm looking forward to hitting the dance floor.
Same here. Do you have any favorite dance moves you're planning to show off?
Haha, maybe a few. But mostly, I'm just excited to groove to the music and enjoy the atmosphere.
Sounds like a plan. I'm sure it's gonna be a night to remember. We should invite our other friends to join us too.
Definitely. The more, the merrier. Let's make it a big group outing and have a blast together.
Sounds like a plan. I can't wait for Friday night. It's gonna be epic.
Conversation about dress code.
Hi Sarah. Did you hear about the new dress code policy at the college?
Hi. Yes, I heard about it. It seems like they're implementing a more relaxed dress code, right?
That's right. They're allowing students to wear casual clothing like jeans and t-shirts, as long as it's neat and appropriate.
I think that's a great idea. It gives us more freedom to express ourselves through our clothing.
Exactly. Plus, it makes getting ready for class in the morning much easier.
Definitely. No more stressing over what to wear. Just throw on some comfortable clothes and you're good to go.
I couldn't agree more. It's a positive change that I think a lot of students will appreciate.
Agreed. I'm glad the college is listening to feedback from students and making changes to improve our experience.
Me too. Now we can focus more on our studies and less on what we're wearing.
Absolutely. Thanks for bringing it up. It's nice to chat about these changes with a friend.
Conversation about making complaint.
Hey Mark. Can I talk to you about something that's been bothering me?
Of course, what's on your mind?
Well, I've been having some issues with Tom in our group project. He's not doing his fair share of the work, and it's starting to affect our grade.
Oh, that doesn't sound good. Have you talked to him about it?
Yeah, I tried, but he doesn't seem to care. I'm not sure what to do next.
Maybe you could talk to the teacher about it. They might be able to help mediate the situation.
That's a good idea. I don't want to seem like I'm complaining, but I also want to make sure everyone is pulling their weight in the project.
It's not complaining if you're trying to find a solution to a problem. Just be honest and respectful when you talk to the teacher.
You're right. I'll go talk to them after class today. Thanks for the advice.
No problem. I'm here to support you. Let me know how it goes.
Will do. Thanks again.
Conversation about preparation for festival.
Hey Mark. Are you excited about the upcoming college festival?
Yeah, I can't wait. It's always such a fun event.
Definitely. Have you started preparing for it?
Not yet, but I was thinking of joining the dance performance this year. What about you?
That sounds like fun. I'm thinking of volunteering at one of the food stalls. I love helping out and meeting new people.
That's a great idea. There are always so many delicious snacks at the festival. Which stall are you thinking of volunteering at?
I'm not sure yet, but I heard they might have a stall selling homemade cookies. That sounds right up my alley.
Yum! I'll definitely swing by your stall to grab some cookies then. And hey, maybe you can teach me a dance move or two for the performance.
Haha, deal. It'll be a blast. I can't wait to spend time with friends and enjoy all the festivities.
Same here. It's going to be an amazing day. Let's make the most of it.
Conversation about Environment Day.
Hey. Did you know that Environment Day is coming next week?
No, I didn't. That sounds interesting. What's it all about?
It's a day dedicated to raising awareness about environmental issues and promoting sustainability.
That's really cool. What activities are planned for Environment Day?
Well, I heard there will be tree planting, recycling drives, and maybe even some workshops on eco-friendly living.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. I'm definitely interested in joining some of those activities.
Yeah, me too. It's important for us to take care of the environment and do our part to protect it.
Absolutely. I think it's great that our college is organizing events like this to educate and inspire students.
Definitely. I hope it encourages more people to adopt sustainable habits and make a positive impact on the planet.
Agreed. Let's mark our calendars and make sure to participate in Environment Day next week.
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Conversation about get-together.
Hi, Sarah. How about we plan a get-together with our friends?
Hi. That sounds like a great idea. It's been a while since we all hung out together.
Yeah, exactly. I miss spending time with everyone. Maybe we could have a picnic in the park or organize a game night in the common room.
Both ideas sound awesome. I'm sure everyone would love it. Let's do the game night. We can play board games or even have a karaoke session.
That sounds like so much fun. I'll bring some snacks and drinks, and maybe we can ask others to bring their favorite games too.
Perfect. We can create a group chat to plan everything and decide on the date that works for everyone.
Great idea. Let's get started on that. I can't wait to catch up with everyone and have a memorable time together.
Me too. It's going to be a blast. Thanks for suggesting this.
No problem. It's always nice to spend quality time with friends. Let's make it happen.
Conversation about Valentine's Day.
Hey Sarah. Do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
Not really. I'm just thinking of spending a quiet evening at home. How about you?
I'm thinking of going out for dinner with Lisa. We want to celebrate the occasion together.
That sounds nice. Where are you thinking of going?
We haven't decided yet, but maybe a cozy restaurant downtown. How about you and Mark?
We haven't made any plans yet. Maybe we'll cook a nice dinner at home or watch a movie together.
That sounds like a lovely way to spend the evening too. Valentine's Day is all about spending time with the people you love, right?
Exactly. It's not about how elaborate the plans are, but about the thought and effort you put into making the day special.
I couldn't agree more. Whether it's a fancy dinner or a simple night in, it's the thought that counts.
Absolutely. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful time with your partner on Valentine's Day.
Thank you. I hope you and Mark have a great time too. Let's catch up afterward and share how our evenings went.
Conversation about proposing.
Hey Jenny. I have something exciting to share with you.
Hi. What's up? You seem really happy.
Well, you know how I've been thinking about proposing to Rosie for a while now?
Yeah, I remember. What about it?
I've decided that I'm going to do it on Valentine's Day.
Oh wow, that's amazing news. I'm so happy for you. Have you thought about how you're going to do it?
Yeah, I'm planning to take her to our favorite spot in the park, where we had our first date. I'll get down on one knee and ask her to marry me.
That sounds incredibly romantic. I'm sure she'll say yes.
I hope so. I'm really nervous, but I know she's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I have no doubt that she feels the same way about you. You two are perfect for each other.
Thank you, Jenny. Your support means a lot to me. I'm glad I could share this exciting news with you.
Of course. I'm honored that you chose to share it with me. I'll be keeping my fingers crossed for you on Valentine's Day.
Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos, and also comment. For more videos like this, please check out the playlist on end screen. Thanks for watching.